Hi guys, and welcome to Alistair Coral Photography. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at the difference between broad and short lighting. We've got Hannah back with us today and we've got a one light setup for you because we're going to be moving this light around, showing you the difference between broad and short lighting. So what broad and short lighting is the position in which a shadow is on a person's face. Now I've got the light at a 45-degree angle currently behind Hannah, and this is what we called short lighting because it's going to be the short side of Hannah's face. It's going to get illuminated. I'm just going to take some examples for you. So what you will find is the shadow is facing us. So the front of Hannah is now in shadow, and the short side of Hannah, Hannah's right or our left is now being illuminated. So what you are getting is very contrasted, striking looking portraits. So, and this can also make portraits look a little bit narrower too. Now we're going to rotate the light around and we're going to show you broad lighting. So the light is now at 45-degree angle at the front of Hannah, so it's going to cover a larger area of Hannah's face. We are going to get a lot more of a softer look. So this is a more simpler look if you are also starting out in photography and also doing larger groups as well. So what you will find as we start taking pictures is the shadow now falls behind Hannah instead of the shadow with short lighting. It falls in front of us. So you will get a smaller shadow as well, and shadows will also be a lot softer. Now what is interesting is where would you use broad and short lighting? Well, if you were doing more dramatic portraits, maybe a fitness model or a fitness look, you may use short lighting more often to actually show more contrast and tones. And if you were doing more of a beauty look or family portrait, you may use broad a lot more to actually give a more softer and flattering look with the shadows as well. But what would be interesting is to actually hear your opinions in the comments section. So below, just write which you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.